Welcome back. It's art time class. Today I'm going to be going over how to create a starter for this level keychain. Let's go ahead and look at the materials we'll need. You're going to need some cardboard. Here I have some recycled cardboard. And you're going to need a pair of scissors and a hole punch. You might also want something to draw with. I'm going to go ahead and create our shape. It's like an oval or egg shape. And we're basically going to draw something that's going to look a lot like a football. I'm going to do one line going down across and then 3 lines crossing that. And then I need to do my dots at each end for my hole punch. All right, let's start cutting this out. And here I have our football shape. Let's put this to the side. Next thing we're going to do is use our hole punch to punch our holes. We've got 8 here to do. When you're using a hole punch, if you don't have this part, you can cup your hand to catch. Now I'm going to take my scissors again and I'm going to cut across on the lines. If you're having difficulty cutting down at this point, you can take your fingers on both sides and help press down if you're having trouble cutting through any cardboard. There we go. All right, so this is how you create this. This should be ready to go now. Let's go ahead and use some string that I already have cut ready to go. You'll have one string that's longer than the others, and that is, let's find it, and 3 strings that are the same distance. So here we are. My green string is my long one. It's got that extra length to it. Okay, so that long string is going to be the first one I do. I'm going to take it, put that down through here, and then I'm going to come back on the other side. Going straight across, go ahead and grab those ends, try to keep them straight and even if you can. Now for my 3 other strings that are the same length, I'm going to go down and back up on this side, down on that side and back up over here, and my last string, down and back up. All right, let's go ahead and create our first layer just as I even out these strings. All right, they're pretty close. We're going to go ahead and start by doing the long string first. I'm going to take this across, and I'm going to take this one across. Just like that, I'm going to go straight across. So now I have 2 loops and 2 loose ends. I'm going to go starting from one side, I'm going to go all the way across. I'm going to go over and under that loop, and then I'm going to take the yellow string and go over and then under that loop. Now for the red string, I'm going to go over and under here, over that loose string and under the loop there. And then our last string, our blue one, I'm going to go over and under. This one's going to be the hardest. This is going to want to undo right there. But I'm going to take this string and go over and under in between to help lock it in place. Now we have our string set. We can go ahead and tighten. Let's do a check for the string length. So it's pretty close. I feel like our red one is, yep, our red one's way off. Let's go ahead and fix that. So the longer string I kind of push through, pull the shorter string out until they're, doesn't need to be perfectly even, but close to even. Okay, that one's pretty good. The blue one is off in the other direction. Let's go ahead and fix that. Okay, and our green string. All right, so here we have the first layer. Let's go ahead and do another layer together. This time I'm going to do these 3 first instead of doing the green string first, so you can see what that looks like. I'm going to make a loop, and remember, you want to keep the reds together, the yellows together, the green. You want to keep the same color strings together. You don't want to put all of them on one side and then all of them on the other side. You want to do one back and forth, back and forth. All right, now I'm kind of pinching it a little right here See me pinching it right there. That's just going to keep my strings more even and organized for me, because I'm about to take this green string and go over, under, over, under, over, under. And that makes it a little easier to do that. That pinching helps move it and keep the string in the direction I want it. Look at that. It's trying to twist right there. I need to keep those separate. There we go. So that yellow is supposed to be in between there to help keep it separate. Let's do this. There we go. All right, so we have 2 layers. At this point, we can go ahead and take it off, and we're just going to do that by pulling. There we go. Not so, I don't want to break it. I want to be able to reuse it. So this is what I have. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it even more. And that is the start of our keychain for this. Be sure to be looking out for more videos in the future where I show you how to do the twist and the opening. Until next time, class, keep creating.